Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the weekly Forex forecasting. As every weekend, my friend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities as we saw, and we will enter in them. So, if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. By the way, also, we put in every day one or two videos analyzing the Bitcoin if you are interested, and every week a video analyzing the Forex market. So if you are interested, you can join us and turn the bell notification to receive everything is free, my friend. And if you being someone who being subscriber with us, please go down and smash the like button and write for us a comment to help us to grow it up that channel more, my friend. So let's start our lesson of today, my friend. So as every weekend, my friend, before we start here, we go into my browser to show you the coming news. So let's go into my browser to show you the coming news, my friend. So as you see, my friend, the week is going to start in 22 of August, Monday. So in Monday, there is nothing called those Chinese. In Tuesday, 23 of August, what we got the one of the Euro of Germany. Then at 8 o'clock, we got that one SP Global Composition PMI of the Eurozone. Then the PMI of UK at 8:30, my friend. That one is manufacturing index. Let's make it like that. It's like the ASM manufacturing index of USA. In Europe, they got PMI. So be aware of those things, my friend. In Wednesday, 24 of August, my friend, what we got at 12:30, we got durable goods order of USA. Me, I'm talking here all the times. They are in GMT or UTC, my friend. You make it to go with your local time. At 12:30, we got non-defense capital goods order of USA. Then we got at 10:45 by night retail sales of New Zealand. In Thursday, 25 of August, my friend, at 12:30 afternoon, we got gross domestic product of USA. So that one is going to make a big madness in the market. At 2 o'clock, we got that Jackson Hole Sanfromism, or I don't know what his name. Sorry if I don't spell the name right. In Friday, 26th of August, my friend, what we got at 2 o'clock, we got Fed Chair Powell speech, that mad person. I don't know where we are going. At 2 o'clock, we got the same person, Jackson Hole. So it's the same thing. So everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go back to our broker to show you more, my friend. What is it there? Here we are, my friend, in my broker. And as you see, my friend, the first things before we even start, I'd like to show you here about that one is the DAXI or US dollar index. So as you see, my friend, here in that zone, what you got here, as you see it, my friend, what the price give you here a head and shoulder, my friend. It's being broken here by that candle. So you're going to calculate it from here till here. And me, I'm making for it a zone here, as you see it, at 108.325. So I think the target is going to go till here. So my friend, what my view to it will continue till here, till it's going to touch that zone here at 108.325. Or maybe it's going to go till touching here the peak. The peak is it at 108.875, my friend, but it's the same. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the DAXI or US dollar index. Let's go into other pairs to show you what is it there, my friend. So the Euro USD, my friend, the same thing like the US dollar index. As you see it, my friend, what it give you here in that zone, it give you a head and shoulder, and it's breaking for you the lower of it here. So you calculating from here to here. So the target is going to be here down at 0.98888, my friend. That is going to be the target of the Euro USD. But now where it is now is going to make a correction, my friend, like that, or it's going to drop till it touching here, that zone here. Then after that, it's going to make a correction like that. Then after that, it's going to drop again, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.03, another level here 1.02, 476, another level here 1.01, 240, another level here 1.0018, and the last level here 0.98 8, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in the RSI. In the RSI, last time, if you remember me, I told you we got here a divergence. And last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to make a correction upward, but it doesn't. It just fall down straight away till here. Then after that, it came upward. They give us here the trend line. That one here, as you see it, it touched it, then it fall down again. Some of you to it now is going to come upward and to touch it again. Then after that, it's going to drop. So, but you need to make a close attention, my friend, if the market going to give you here a divergence or something, because that is going to go in upward, because now also we are near to the top of the US dollar index. So you need to be aware of those things, my friend. Maybe just is going to drop a little bit till here, then after that it's going to go upward. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Euro USD, my friend. The other pair we got is the cable, my friend, and even the cable, the same thing, like all of them, the same thing happened to them. The only thing here, the cables give you here a double top, as you see it, my friend. When it's breaking for you, you calculate them from here to here, and that's where it is the target, here at that zone, here down. So the cable, it bring you the target, my friend. And that one, me I enter in it last week. I enter from here, I holding all those ones down. That's the power of our analysis, my friend. And now what's my view to it? It's going to make a correction like that, my friend, and it's going to fall down again to that zone here, because till now there is no divergence, no nothing, and maybe it's going to drop more to touch the lower of that channel. That one also we've been following for a long time, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.22,665. Another level here, 1.21,808. Another level here, 1.19,614. And that one where we are now, 1.17,773, my friend. And those levels, my friend, as you see them, they are very stronger levels. Every time the price it touch them, then it bounce. And that's the power of our analysis, my friend. So, my friend, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, my friend, there is no divergence, no nothing. You can bring something from here to here, like that. But that one is very far away. It tried to give you there a hidden divergence, but it's not clear, my friend, like how it used to be here in that place. It used to be a very stronger divergence, but now there is nothing. And here the same thing, it give you here a trend line, as you see it, my friend, it touch it. Now my view is going to come upward to touch that trend line again, then after that it's going to drop again, my friend. You need to give us here a divergence, then after that it will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend, you get the picture? So, that's it for the cable or British Pound USD, my friend. The other pair we got is the Aussie, my friend. And the Aussie, if you remember what else we said we got here a very stronger level. The previous videos, my friend. And that's what happened. It came to it here. It touched it. And look at it. Last week we used to be here in that place. I told you it's going to drop. That the analysis of us for the last week. As you see it is still here. That one here. That red line here. As you see it. I told you from here is going to drop, and that's what it did exactly, my friend, and it dropped till here. And even that one here, it give you here something here, as you see is, my friend, here and here and here. Then it fall down here. Now it give you here a head and shoulder, even that one, and it's breaking for you the neckline. The neckline, it used to be here, so now it's break it for you. So you're going to calculate it like that from here to here. I think the target is going to be here, my friend, in that zone, or maybe it's going to go till here where it used to be before. So be aware of those things, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 0.71011. Another level here, 0.70078. And that one here, 0.69129. That one here, 0.68563. That one here, 0.67779. And that one here, 0.67032, my friend. Everything is too clear. Some of you to it, my friend, is going to make a small correction like that. And after that, it's going to drop till here. What I told you, till here. So be aware of those things, my friend. Don't buy it. It's still for sale, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here in the RSI, my friend, you see it gave us here like a trend line. And now it is here. Some of you to it now is going to make a correction to go back to touch that trend line here. Then after that, it need to drop to give us here a divergence or something. Then after that, it will go in upward. So be aware of those things. And here, we don't have no divergence, no nothing. As you see it, my friend, no nothing here. Try to give you here a hiding, but not yet. It needs to fall down more than that, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Aussie or Australian dollar USD, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen, my friend, it's choking us. If you remember what it's giving us here. And by the way, that one is a very well-known pattern, my friend. That one it give you there. But us, we said we got here that trend line here last time. Said it's going to touch it, then we see what's going to happen. But when it touches, he break it, my friend, as you see it. So now what is it, the view of us? Is it here? It's going to make a correction like that. Then after that, we're going upward, my friend, till here. Or maybe it's going to drop it up, depending about the US dollar index, my friend. So make a close attention about that Fed Chair Powell when he's going to speak, what he's going to say. Because that one it can move the market against all those things. So the levels we got, my friend, first level here, 138.006. Another level here, 136.236. Another level here, 133.792, my friend. And that one here, 131.754, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, we used to have here the trend line. Last week we used to be here. I told it's going to go upward till here. And that's what it did. But it break it here. Now look where it is now. Is it near at the overbought area? So my view to it, maybe it's going to come like that to touch the trend line again. Then after that, we'll go in upward, my friend, to the overbought area, my friend. I'm talking here about the RSI. I'm not talking there about the chart. By the way, if you don't know what else we're talking about, my friend, that just technical analysis, down below there is a 85% to our highly recommended course. We're going to teach you everything about technical analysis. If you want to learn to analyze the market by yourself, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold last week we used to be here in that place. I told you it's going to make a correction like that till here. Then after that it's going to drop. But look what it did without making any correction. It just dropping. Me I said till here. Drop till here, till that level here. My view to it is going to continue till down, my friend, till here. Because the gold here, what it giving you? The gold here, it give you here a cup and handle, my friend, as you see it. And it's breaking for you the lower of it. So you're going to calculate it from here. And the target is going to be here, down, my friend, at 1706.76, my friend. That the target is going to be if you enter short. If you're not, that the target when you need to buy, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So my view to it is going to continue till down here. Then after that, we'll go in upward, my friend. Because it's going to give you here that pattern me I show you before. I show you before like that and like that and like that. That's what the market trying to give you here, a double bottom or a W, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1820.25. Another level here, 1796.83. Another level here, 1775.17, my friend. Another level here, 1750.89. Another level here, 1733.34. And the last level here, 1706.76, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, last time what we got here, the divergence, and also that 2 weeks we've been following the divergence, my friend, and the market tried to go higher and higher and higher here. But just a trap, it's been going on. Last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to touch it here, then after that it's going to drop. And that's what it did exactly, my friend, as you see it. That the power of our analysis, my friend. Also, we don't follow the analysis of no one. Also, we give you just our analysis, my friend. Because also we are professional people. We don't need to follow no one because the market is in front of us and telling us everything, my friend. Now, what's our view, my friend? If you see here what the market gave you here a trend line. So our view is going to come and to touch it like that. Then after that, it's going to drop again to the oversold area, my friend. But you need to make a close attention, my friend, if the market give you here a divergence like that or something like that. So you need to be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound, Japanese Yen. That one here, my friend, as you see it tried to give you here a head and shoulder like that. So as you see it needs to break the trend line as we draw it before. Last week we used to be here. Actually, it's going to make a correction like that and then it's going to drop. That's what it did exactly. When it dropped here, look what it did. Not the power of our analysis, my friend, because that zone is a very stronger zone. Then look where we are now. My view to it now is going to break that one upward to go till here, my friend. Or another thing, maybe from here is going to drop again because that trend it's still stronger. So you make a close attention at that trend, my friend, because that trend is it in the daily, my friend, that one, not here in the 4 hours. So you make a close eye to it, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 166.233. Another level here, 164.679. And that one here, 161.870, my friend. And that one here, 159.863, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here in the RSI, as you see it, my friend, last week we used to be here. Me, I told it's going to go upwards to touch it here, but it doesn't. It fell down directly till here, till the oversold area. Then he went upward till here. Now look where we are. My view to it now, maybe from here is going to continue it upward. But as I tell it to you before, that zone here is still a very stronger level here. Till now the market hasn't broke it, my friend, as you see it. So make a close attention to the things, my friend. So that's it for today, my friend. See you in the next week, my friend. If you are a forex trader, if you are a crypto trader, see you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now, my friend.